back in the kitchen making quite possibly the best shortbread you've ever had. These cookies are sweet and buttery, and we have the feeling that the citrus and floral combo are soon to be your new favorite flavor duo. Enough talking, let's get to baking.
We'll start by sifting our all-purpose flour and salt into a bowl. Set it aside while we prep our lavender and lemon sugar. For our flavored sugar, we'll start by crushing together lemon zest and lavender tea with about a tablespoon of sugar. Then, once it's all crushed up, we'll just add it together with the rest of our sugar. I'll start to cream our room temperature butter until it's light and fluffy. Then I'll add in Rachel's lemon lavender sugar and we'll let it mix for a few minutes. We'll slowly add in our flour and salt and mix it until it's combined. To keep our cookies from spreading out too much while they're in the oven, we'll want to get the dough nice and chilled. For this, we'll shape the dough into a disc and it'll be really crumbly, so you'll have to press all the dough together. Then wrap it in plastic and pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut them out and place them on an ungreased cookie sheet and bake at 325 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. They smell so good. While these cool, we'll whip up a super simple glaze. All it is powdered sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, and water. Top your cookies with the glaze and they're ready to eat. Be sure to tag us in your recipe photos using the hashtag #MyPriceChopper.
So good.
They are really good.